What's up, guys? Today we're gonna find some plants for my hermit crab, my land hermit crab. Okay, here is my hermit crab. They're sleeping. I don't know what the fuck is it. I don't wanna disturb him. Only the end of this video I'm gonna disturb. Just kidding, I'm not gonna disturb him. But if I want to, I'll disturb him. Yee! I'll just disturb him. I know if I want to, but not. I don't know. I should some animals because thank you. No! Look at how beautiful this thing is. Yeah, look at. That's beautiful as hell, man. Oh my gosh. Bye. This video may take a long time. No way, this video it's already 1 minute long. That fast? It's already 1 minute? No. It's actually no, look at this. There's an orange tree right there. Guys, there's an orange tree. Yeah, that's an orange tree. And we're gonna find some soft, slightly yummy little leaves. I think it's good for crabs. Like hermit crabs, land hermit crabs. But, oh my gosh, guys. No! That's what I think it is. Wait, I think there is no. I think it's a quail. I think that's not a quail. Yeah, I'm dumb. That's not a quail. That's not a quail. Yeah, it's hard to. I think, but I think it's like a different kind of bird. There's like it looks like me and my classmates. It looks like me and my classmates. This guys, look at it. It looks like me and my classmates. There is one over there, and one over here. Yeah, looks like my. Wait, there's 4. Looks like me and my classmates hanging out outside after when the school was like when we're gonna go home. Yeah, it's just like that. Okay, let's go. Beautiful time. No, just kidding. I'm not gonna put some videos on the floor like some other people says. Oh my gosh, why you always make videos of floors? That is so ungrateful as tung sahur. But they're still there. They're still there. They're still there. Let's just go. We're coming. No, we're not gonna go too far. Wait, guys. Let me put the camera here first. I'm gonna wait. Okay, I'm back. Wait, this is gonna be a long walk, so I'm just gonna end the video for you guys. No, just kidding. I'm just gonna be fast in 3, 2, 1. We're here. I don't know. I'm scared. Maybe there's a snake. Yeah, I have to be so careful. There's plants. Kind of cool plants though. Let's just get one. Singular soft plant. I think this plant's gonna full though. No, this one. No, it's so dry. So fast being dried. Nah, this one's more better. I'm gonna get a lot of them. I'm gonna get a lot of this. I'm gonna get a lot. Okay, I'm just kidding. I think it's too much now. Only 2. Yeah, I think it's okay. Sorry guys for making a video of the ground again. We are not clickbait. Okay, guys. I'm just gonna handle this my own. And I really wanna edit my own. It's like a rainbow in the wind. Some leaves are going. See, there's like kind of animal that named leafhoppers. Wait, guys. My gosh. My gosh. Oh, it really fall down. I'm gonna hold this camera while opening. Oh my gosh. Oh, finally! Finally! We are free. Okay. And after that, we're also gonna clean. Yeah, that's how I take care of my hermit crab. And build his house also. We're gonna put him in a little container. Yeah. We're just gonna put him in a container and after and then done making his home uploaded with some food. It always sounds like the freaking sound. It always sounds like the gas from Minecraft, like. This guy is. My gosh. Sorry for the ground again. Sorry, I'm so sorry for the ground again. Whew. We got the leaves. Not done yet. I'm just gonna put the camera here first. Wait. Put my phone here. You wait for a sec. Okay, done. So let's make this house green. I need to hold my phone like this. No, I'm not gonna. Let's put the phone right here. So now I want to show you off. I'll put the phone right here. I'll put the phone right here. I'll put the phone right here. Yeah. I'll put the phone right here. Put the phone right here. Yeah. No. Guys, we're just gonna put this here first. We're gonna put that first and then I'm still down, guys. Just wait for a sec. Oh my ballerina. Okay, but where did she go? Oh my gosh, okay. We're just gonna put this right here. I'm gonna do this now, just kidding guys. I'm gonna hold it. Let's get the let's get the thing. This one. Keep on spilling. Oh, it's always spilling. We're gonna put it right here. We're just gonna remove all the water and done. And we're gonna put it there. Yes, we're gonna put it there. Okay, we're gonna put it right there. Oh, just kidding. I'm just kidding. We're gonna make this house better later. Okay, we're just gonna put this right. Pause for this second. I put my phone right here. Cause no, just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna put it there. Cause I'm just gonna get this whole thing. I'm gonna get the other container. No. What my baby wanted to do this container, bro? I did. The container already see this. Okay, we have to remind that to open this. Papa, can you help me open?
Take a video with me.
No.
No.
I'm here. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay. Done. Done. And now, let's put this thing right here. We're gonna climb up because we're gonna climb up in there. To turn on the lights, more easier to see. Oh, it's gonna be dangerous for my phone though. Oh, this way. Oh, no. Oh. Yes, okay. Done. This video is so long. After that, we're gonna remove this. Yeah. Okay. Now let's the hermit crab first. Get the hermit crab. I'm scared. I don't wanna be thick. Oh, I got it. Right there. Put him here. Okay, this is my hermit crab. He's shy. And I name him Mr. Shell. Yeah, Mr. 67 man. Oh, just kidding. I don't know what's the name. Mr. Well, I freaking forgot what did I just name him. Mr. Lobsters. Oh my gosh. No. Maybe sometime, so I'm just gonna wait right here though. Okay, Mr. Oh, I'm gonna name him. Just comment down below, guys. What's a good name? And the best one will get pinned. Okay, we're gonna get this. Get this right here. And we're gonna put it close to my crab because he loves this food so much. Bruh. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, the house is messed up. Bruh. I'm gonna put the. I'm gonna put here. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm done with it. Let's do this house. Mix these things, all of these first. You mix them all. I need it. Again, I want to put a little bit water. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit. So I'll post this video first at 2:20. No. I'm back with my hands so dirty. Then I'm putting water in this so that it looks nice. Wash my hand for a sec, guys. I'm gonna wash my hand for a sec, guys. Whisk my phone, please. Look at it good. Okay. I think the container is so good, but I have to smash it. Okay, I'm gonna press the video again. This right here. Boom. And boom. That's it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna make a video. Let me just do it again. 3, 2, 1. Oh no. 3, 2, 1. Boom! Power. The container has changed now. But now we're gonna put put his favorite food inside here. So let's put here. We're gonna put inside the hole. Yeah, he likes it. I think he's gonna eat the leaves. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe he's not gonna eat the leaves right now. Nah, maybe he's not gonna eat the leaves. But I put it there, and now let's put the hermit crabs. There are these brothers. No, just kidding, guys. We are not gonna put it because I forgot the water. Just kidding, guys. We're just gonna directly put it in. After that, we're gonna do the water one. Okay, come here, little. Come here, my little crab. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna hold it thick. I will pause the video for a sec, guys. Okay. Do you want it? Okay, done pausing it. I already have an idea. Let's do this. Sorry, bro. I'm super duper sorry, bro. I'm gonna put inside the container. No, not this side, not that side. Okay, he's inside. He's inside. Bro, it's okay. Okay, we're gonna put this container back. Okay. We're still alive. Okay, and now let's get the water. Bro, guys, why you always keep saying okay? Oh my gosh, I was saying okay. I put some. Wait, guys, I'm gonna I don't know how to make the video that I'm posting. It's gonna press. Oh my gosh, it's hard. It's hard. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video for this, guys. I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, I'm done. Done getting the water. Let's give it to the crab, Mr. I don't know, just call me the name for the crab. Just like for the hermit crab. Wait, I'm just gonna hold this. Put the water, guys. I wanna do this, but let me just try. No, mistake. Big mistake, oh no. Big mistake. Oh, okay, good. Now let's put. Oh, hell no. Nah, I'm gonna get this container out first. We're gonna bring this container. Bro feels like this. Bro feels like an earthquake is just tung sa horn. And this is almost the end of the video. So guys, please like and subscribe. Oh hell no! I just made a freaking mistake. No, it's not happening. But recently fill up with water. So guys, this is the end of the video and bye. Without to be so shy.